Let's see, let me include this. Which one should I use? Which one should I use? I'm using this. Let me nano this. Let me nano this. Just say echo. What am I echoing? So just echo the bash version. I don't want to copy. Let me see if I copy it will work. Okay, thank God it works. So I'll save it. Ctrl S, Ctrl X. Then I'll come here. It will tell me the version of my bash. So exactly. So it continues by saying hello. Let me shrink this. I don't need this for now. Just say welcome, Mr. Debayo. Today is Saturday, which is the best day in the entire whatever. Once it is time for lunch, the CEO covers it. That's awesome. So your bash shell version is 5.2. Then I should enjoy it. So that's just how scripting works. That's how scripting works. Let me clear the screen. I will have now. Let me quickly say this at the end, or before I say it. Let me see whether I'm done with my script to what I prepare for you. Aha, yes. I want you. Okay, I'll share this slide with you guys. I want you to take note of this. It is very, very important. It is very, very important. Save it somewhere. If you have OneNote, if you have where you do keep your important code, either by writing or by typing, I want you to save this. I'm giving you for free. I'm not collecting anything. So, like the command I created earlier, which serves for the update, the upgrade, the auto remove, the clean, whatever. This is necessary for you to know or for you to have as a cyber guy. So at least, if not every day, every week, you can write a script to be running on every system. Even if it is 1 million system, you won't be the one to be reminding the system. You won't be the one to be reminding the system. The system will remind itself, and it will run the code. If it is every Sundays you want update, if it is every week, or I don't know, it depends on you. It depends on the organization. If the organization asks you, okay, I want the system, I want all the tools, I want all the softwares on all the systems to be updated every 2 days, every 3 days, every 5 days, every week, every month, every year. It depends. Don't stress yourself. Just that you won't just show them your work. They will think you are working from one system to another. Just write your script, save it, name it, give it a beautiful name that you use to remember easily. Then on your system, just run the command. When you run the command, it serves others immediately. So you just feel relaxed. They'll just be wondering, how is this guy doing this? You have not been. You can, although you can just try to. It's not deceive. It's not deceit. I mean, you just move around to see whether it's effective as well. But even if there's going to be error, you see everything on your system. If there's any error with any system, it will show on your system that a particular system with this particular IP address is so. It will pass you a message, and you can quickly go to that system and fix things up. So that is how powerful bash script is. So save this thing. It is very, very important. Now, okay, we have done this. Okay, we have not done this, and this is the last one. This is very, very useful in the sense that, and this is going to be the last thing I'm going to give us tonight. This, by God's grace, tomorrow we are going to start with Python. Yes, we are going to start with Python. So this is going to give us, like I've used 200 systems. Instead of you to be moving from one system to another, we can use our ARP dash local. Dash local. That's ARP dash scan dash local to get all the IP address or all the IP addresses connected to that server. If it is 200, I'm using 200 as an example. If it is 200, you can just get them copy them, save them somewhere. But this is a very beautiful, easiest way to do that, but it is tedious, but it is the easiest way. Like I said, I mentioned something like read dash p dash whatever dash whatever. Now this is what you do here with this code. You just write this code down and name it. I name it phone book. You can name it anything you like, but phone book will make it easier for me to remember. And this is what it does. This will allow all the 200 systems to type on each of those 200 systems. That is, each of the user, anybody that is using the system, after you have disseminated or sent this to their screen, you write the script, you send it to their screen, it will pop up and they will follow instruction. Enter your first name, enter your last name, enter your phone number. Now this time around, it's not going to be a phone number. What you are going to do, just if you need more, just copy and paste or continue typing of this. Just say, for instance, the first one is enter your first name. It might not be the first name. You can just say enter your system number. You know, system at that, in that particular organization, system will be number. They can use code. You can use let's say Tech Empire. Now Tech Empire, you can use Tech Empire. Let me see the code. I use D-HAMY. I can just use TE1, TE2, TE3, TE4, TE5, TE200. Now this might be, I don't know, it depends on your choice. This might be enter your system number. That's the first instruction. The next thing, enter your IP address. That means as the person is entering the system number, the IP address is following immediately. Then if there is any other information you want from that system, you still ask the person to enter it. Then as the person is entering or clicking on enter, after running the code, is going to save in phone book automatically. That is, this is a redirection. This double forward arrow is redirecting it to phonebook.txt. So you can just copy it. You must have written another script to transfer whatever the person sent to your address. What I mean by address is your destination. So you can still do that. It's simple, although it might sound somehow ambiguous or this thing is not. No, it is easy. The more you work with them, the more you say, oh, wow, this thing is just so easy. So a message again, that is user details saved successfully, or user details saved to, it depends on whatever you want the person to know. So that is that for this bash script of a thing tonight.